Hey fashionistas, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are exploring alluring latex leather miniskirts designed to showcase statement cut luxury evening shapes. Miniskirts are bold and playful, and in latex leather they instantly elevate any look. Their glossy finish create a modern fashion forward appearance perfect for evening events, social gathering or stylish casual outing. Understanding how to style them ensures a confident, sophisticated presentation. Choosing the right miniskirt fit is key. High-waisted design elongate the legs and enhance curve, while slightly flared or A-line cut offer movement and comfort. Body-hugging minis emphasize shape and give a sleek polished silhouette. Selecting the correct length and waist placement ensure the skirt remain flattering while maintaining a chic, elegant appearance. Color choices define the overall impact. Classic black remain timeless, while bold jewel tone like ruby, emerald, or deep sapphire create a luxurious evening ready look. Glossy finishes reflect light beautifully, making the skirt the centerpiece of your outfit. For a softer, elegant vibe, neutral shade like beige or taupe can also work as long as accessories complement the high gloss design. Footwear selection enhances both style and posture. Heeled ankle boots, stiletto or pointy toe shoes elongate the legs and maintain a polished appearance. For a more casual but chic approach, fashionable flat or sleek loafers also work, especially for daytime events. The goal is to maintain proportional balance and elevate the miniskirt's impact without overwhelming the look. Layering option add versatility and depth. Crop jacket, lightweight blazers, or tailored coat work beautifully with miniskirt. Choose fabrics and colors that complement the latex texture while maintaining the outfit's focus on the statement cut shape. Layering also allow comfort in different environment, from evening gathering to casual meetup. These outfits have got you covered. So, guys, accessorizing intelligently adds sophistication. Minimalist jewelry, delicate ring, or thin chain enhance the outfit without competing with the glossy material. Clutches or small handbag in metallic or neutral tone complete the ensemble elegantly. Avoid overly large or bold accessories that distract from the skirt statement designs. So friends, I hope you really like this video. Enjoy this video. If you like the video and want to watch more videos and fashion guide like this, must subscribe to my channel. By subscribing you will become part of my YouTube channel and will not miss any of our future videos. My dear friends, this is your love for us guys. We will meet soon in another video. Bye.